Give me some time to get threat.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Run in D stance.
I'm a tank and we're standing right here.
Or doesn't start till he forms.
Get into positions, guys. This is the best time to get in position.
Yo.
Are we taking ticks yet or no?
Not yet,
Nope.
not yet.
Nope.
Okay, perfect, perfect. Okay, stop DPS.
Okay, you can go ahead and start. Regulate, watch out. So you just smacked him pretty good.
Life drain.
Life drain.
Decurse.
Blizzard coming close to melee. Back up first, guys. He's got a huge hitbox. Life drain, life drain.
Don't go up front and parry the boss.
Stop your. Don't do that. Why?
It's air phase.
Okay, good. Top everybody off, please.
Get spread,
Spread out,
guys.
spread out, spread out.
1, 2,
Oh shit, my range checker.
3,
3 on the left.
4,
I need to get closer.
You got one on eye, Jeff.
5.
Ooh, Ultima.
It's okay. I'll What
You'll
the
make
fuck?
it. Top everyone up. Get people in the box back up.
Oh,
So let Ryan get aggro again.
Go ahead and keep yourself alive, please. Thank you.
I'm out of range.
Should we get a B-res on Kashi?
Decurses, decurses.
Battle res on Kashi, please. Hefty.
This has it.
Kashi, stay close. Mana side down.
Drain life coming soon. Be ready to decurse.
I need to get closer.
Spread out.
Split. 1, 2,
Greater frost protection if you're low.
4,
Start moving, guys. Start moving.
5.
Get behind it.
I'm out of range.
Hellstone if you guys need
Awesome
it.
guys. Awesome job, guys. Keep it up.
Help me get Sunders back up.
I got demo shot for you.
Curse.
It's too
I last standed. I got low.
Decurse everybody. It was slow on decurse, guys.
Pick it up, guys. It's not worth it. Mana pot if you need to.
I need to get closer.
Curse coming soon.
Watch out for the blizzard. Big
Watch those
blizzard.
blizzards melee. Those decurses out.
We gonna push for 10% next ground phase?
Yes.
Curse coming soon.
It's too far away.
Spread out, spread out.
Pop a frost protection potion, guys.
D stance.
Stay away from your healers.
Pop a greater frost, guys.
One out.
2, oh sorry. 3,
3, 4,
4,
and 5. Get behind.
Watch out for the blizzard.
God, I'm not gonna make it.
Ryan, you have to make it.
I made it.
Keep it
Get
going.
in positions.
Curse coming soon.
Keep Ryan topped off. Heal Ryan. We're out of range. Thank you.
I have Innervate who wants it.
Push him for the
Luke will take
10%,
it.
guys.
Hit with Luke.
If you still have Healthstone, use it here, guys.
Carry's coming
Top
soon.
yourselves off.
I'm out of range.
Key curses, please.
I have shield wall too, guys.
Pop Death Wish if you haven't yet.
5 drain soon.
Curse.
It's too far away.
Reg, you and me gotta watch our threat, but let's push him under.
Yeah.
10 seconds to air phase, guys. Get him 5% lower.
I'm out of range.
Okay, spread out. Pop a GFPP if you need. If you're low.
1,
D stance.
2, 3,
Pop a GFPP. Stay alive, guys. Make sure Ryan has a spot.
5.
Get behind. Top everybody off, please. GFPP. Anything you can to stay alive. Let's go.
I'm gonna get Thunders back up.
Curse, guys.
Decurse, decurse, decurse.
I can't drink anymore yet.
Sorry.
Top up everybody. Max rank heals. Keep everybody topped off. Decurse.
Finish him off before this next decurse. Finish him off before the next curse, guys.
Curse.
Great job, everybody.
Good job, guys.
Good job.
Oh,
Careful,
shit,
Blizzard. Stay out of the
boys.
blizzard.
Let's go.
Stay out of the blizzard.
Look at all that sexy loot.
We did it!
We did it. We did it.
Jerk.
Yeah.
Alright. One shot KT, boys. Come on.
Continue as planned.